In this video, we'll learn how to enable new languages in the trial environment and how the user can change those in the application. I'm in the application. If I go up to the settings up here, as a user, I can go to my personalization settings, and here I can go to my languages. So we'll see that the application was installed in the base English language, and this depends on the options that were selected when the environment was deployed. In this example, a trial environment. And so you'll see here that I can't change my language because we've only got English enabled in this example. So let's go across. I'm going to go across to admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com, and what we can do is, for the environment, we can go into that environment that we're working on. Again, in this example, the trial environment, I can go to my settings, and under the product we can see languages. So we can enable languages that we might want to use. Now, keep in mind this list of languages may not reflect the languages that are available with Dynamics 365 Intelligent Order Management, so refer to the documentation page for the languages that are available. In this example, I'm going to enable Danish, for example. So I'm going to hit apply. It's going to ask me to confirm that language, and we're going to say OK. Now, this might take a while to actually apply, so I'm just going to pause the video and we'll wait till it applies. Okay, after a good while, the language is saved. In my environment, it did take a couple of minutes, so yeah, be patient. It'll refresh after a little while. So once this is actually done, we can close out of those language settings and go back to the application. So now the user, if they go up to the personalization settings and go over to the languages, you'll see that we have an additional language, in this example, Danish. So I'm going to switch to it. So I'll say OK. All right, it's going to refresh, and now we'll be back in the environment, and you'll see that now we have the languages changed for this user. As I can't really speak Danish, I'm going to switch back. So we'll go back to our personalization settings and change our language back to English in this example. So it'll refresh and we'll be back in English. So that's a quick walkthrough of how do you enable additional languages. Again, in this example, we've enabled Danish. Refer to the help documentation for the list of languages that we do currently support in Dynamics 365 Intelligent Order Management. We do have a program of adding additional languages throughout the coming year. Dynamics 365 Intelligent Order Management is a new application in the family of Dynamics 365 applications, built on the Microsoft Power Platform running on the Microsoft Azure Cloud. To learn more about Dynamics 365 Intelligent Order Management, visit our community site, documentation site, marketing site, or our blog at these links.